Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate my NCT Dream Beatbox inspired design. Start off by painting your index nail light yellow. When the polish is dry, section off a stripe in the center with striping tape and fill it in with white. Outline the left side of the nail with neon blue, and then make blue squares at the top and bottom of the white stripe. On the right side of the nail, make a white stripe with two orange stripes above and below it, and then outline them with black. Keep using black to make a messy checkerboard pattern on the two blue squares. Make two black circles and a rectangle on the white section. Still using black, on the right side of the nail, make 3 sevens with a lightning bolt on either side. On the left side of the nail, keep using black to write Dream. Sealing your design with a top coat. For the next design, start off with a yellow base. Use white to make a rectangle in the center of the nail, and then make an oval overlapping it. If you have an opaque blue, you can use that to make the rectangle instead. The polish I was using was just really thin and needed a white base so that it didn't look green on top of the yellow. Fill the rectangle in with blue. Outline the oval with orange. Use a neon blue to write Sugar Pop on the oval. Add some details with blue, orange, and white. Sealing your design with a top coat. Start off with a white base. Use black to make some cartoony sketches all over the nail. Sealing your design with a top coat. For the pinky, start off with a light yellow base. Apply a liquid latex barrier around the nail, and then on a makeup sponge, make a gradient with blue and yellow. Dab the sponge onto the nail. Repeat until it's opaque. Use white to make a cloud shape on the right side of your nail. outline the cloud with black. Sealing your design with a top coat. For the thumb, start off with a white base. Use black to write beatbox on the nail. Add a couple of music notes, stars, and lightning bolts around the letters. Sealing your design with a top coat, and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!